Opponent's holding it off angle. We're not going to know it. That's going to be the 2K down at the 3. Pony's going to steal it. The rest is going to be Pony. But regardless, I mean, the gun difference.
Let's play.
Sun Academy, not necessarily knowing where Steel is, but oh my goodness, the shot.
Massive this time around. They have an idea. Ainge trying to make that one work.
2 versus 3. 2 angles come out. Enemy some quick and dirty work with the lineups of the That's going to be
Get the fuck down, dumbass.
Face up on top, looking here. The flash grenade does come out.
gives away the position regardless of Maki. Oh no! I mean, okay, that shot.
The frag grenade lining things up, see what you can get as it lands right onto
In a 1v1 scenario, 30 health possibly. There it is, and it's the clutch up.
Yeah, great stuff there from TU1. They've shown that, hey, they are here to stay. They are here to play.